Well, a very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first of our Keenan Insights lecture programmes. Lovely to see you here this morning, and I hope you're all settled in and already enjoying yourselves on Queen Elizabeth. Now, our first speaker this morning is a scientist, a television personality, and an author. He has appeared on programmes like Newsnight and Question Time, and featured in television series called Secret Weapons and Unsolved Mysteries. And he's also a visiting professor lecturing at universities. Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Brian Ford.
Well, good morning, everybody. I'm always asked by people, got any tips for a frequent cruiser? So I'll give you a couple, and here's one for today. When you go to the elevator, to the lift, it goes ding-dong. But it only does that if the lift is going down. When it's going up, it goes just ding. Most people never notice that. And the purpose of my telling you this is because when you stand in one of the stairwells where the elevators are, and one goes ping, you're craning your neck around thinking, which one is it? Is it going up? Is it going down? You feel as though you're in the middle of a computer game. And you really got to put your neck out doing that. So remember in future that it goes ding-dong when it's going down and ding when it's going up. So you and your spouse can stand there and the lift will go ding and you can say, no, we need one that's going up. And everybody who didn't come to this lecture will think, how did they know?